Well, Bangladesh crisis that seems to be escalating right after a prominent Hindu leader and ISKCON monk, Chinmoy Krishna Das Brahmachari, was reportedly detained in Dhaka by police under the regime of Muhammad Yunus in Bangladesh. After ISKCON was deemed as a terror group earlier this month, the Bangladeshi authorities filed a sedition case against Chinmoy Krishna Das, as the Hindu leader faces charges of sedition following his role in leading a massive rally protesting targeted hate attacks against the Hindu community. Chinmoy Krishna Das has been a vocal voice against violence against Hindus and other religion minorities in Bangladesh, where violence against Hindus and other minorities have enveloped the country since the ouster of its former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Listen in now what the ISKCON seer had said just a few days ago, anticipating such kind of a situation.
আমাদের প্রিয় জন্মভূমি এই বাংলাদেশ, আমরা যে ভূমি ছেড়ে যেতে চাই না। আমরা এই ভূমির ভূমিপুত্র এবং সনাতনী সমস্ত জনগোষ্ঠীর কাছে অনুরোধ করব, যে কোনো সময় আমাকে হয়তো গ্রেফতারও করা হতে পারে। আপনারা ঐক্যবদ্ধভাবে এই আন্দোলনকে অব্যাহত রাখবেন।